5-step process for creating a lead generation funnel in less than 10 minutes. Only 5 steps. And I'm going to go over them quickly because they're really fast, because it's extremely easy. The process is, as a strategy, extremely easy. Now, first go to ClickFunnels. You go enter clickfunnels.com. I'm telling you, it's going to be really, really fast and easy. You sign up. Okay, step number 2, you sign up. Now, it's not going to be like, how do you say that? It's not going to change the world what I'm going to tell you, but I guarantee you it's extremely easy and simple. You sign up. Second step is you choose a lead generation funnel template. So you choose, okay, do I want a survey funnel? Do I want a lead squeeze? Lead squeeze. God damn my French. Lead squeeze page, or do I want a summit funnel? Or do I want a survey funnel? You choose whatever you want. And then you pick a template according to that funnel that you want. And then step number 4, you fill it up with your stuff. Instead of the template you got, you put your free book, your free resource that you create. Or instead of, you gather a few people and you're like, hey, we're going to do an event, a summit, great, join us. You basically put your videos, your photos, your text instead of what is on the template. Pretty self-explanatory. And then you publish it. Wow, that's not really complicated. No, for real, that's as simple as that. A lead generation funnel is by far one of the simplest and the easiest to set up. You go on ClickFunnels, you pick a template, you choose which one you want, you publish it before you fill it up with your own stuff, and that's pretty much it. That's by far one of the easiest funnels to set up. So make sure you use it correctly, because hey, that's extremely easy to do, and that's an incredible opportunity to create your funnel, to have it up, and to start to get building that list of customers that will buy from you again and again.